Do-do. Do-do. Lost in the shade vibes. Hey. Hello, everyone. How's everyone doing? It feels like I haven't filmed in years, you know? I feel a little shook. It's weird. It's very odd. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess lifestyle. So, today I'm coming to you guys with a new review, and this is a review of an entire line, okay? Like an entire company, an entire situation, if you will. So I am here today to review all of Milk Makeup's products, or at least all of the products that they sent me, because it feels like they sent me everything. So Milk Makeup reached out to me a couple weeks ago and they were like, oh my gosh, Princess, I love you. You're so gorgeous. You're so fly. We need you. And I was like, oh my gosh, Milk, I love you. You're so gorgeous. You're so fly. I need you. So we needed each other. So we came together. I wanted to try their foundation for a while, but that's not all they sent me. They sent me the primers, powders, blushes, all types of stuff. So Milk Makeup is all about skin and all about fresh looking, dewy looking, healthy looking skin. So obviously, I'm the girl for the job. I'm the girl for the review. This is all I do. I love skin. Skin loves me. This is how we are. So let's get started. Milk sent me these 2 boxes, and the boxes are filled with a lot of stuff. Let's start with the small box. So for this box, I'm not gonna turn it around because my address is on there. I don't need you guys all up in my grill, up in my ish. Okay, it says, Princess, we love how you live your look. Enjoy these products. We can't wait to see the looks you create. Let us know if you need anything at all. Looking forward to working with you. Shay, Abby, and the Milk Makeup team. Thank you, Shay. Thank you, Abby. Thank you, Milk Makeup. Okay, there's a lot up in here. Oh, whoa, what is this? Kush Lash Primer, Kush Fiber Brow Gel, Kush Lip Glaze, Kush Waterproof Mascara, Hydro Grip Primer. I've heard the most incredible things about this primer. This is what I'm most excited about. I mean, I love skin, I love foundation, I love concealer, I love all of that stuff, but I've heard legendary things about this primer. This is their Hydro Grip Primer. I'm most excited for this because a good primer is everything you need in makeup. A lip and cheek stick instantly melts into skin using Milk Melt technology infused with mango butter and avocado oil. They know me, okay? They know what I need. All right. And another one. Okay, so they're different colors. So this one is called Quickie, a little dork berry situation. And this one is called Swish. Okay, it's called Swish. Swish, swish, swish. Okay, this is the Kush Mascara, the high volume, boom, boom, bam, volume extreme mascara. Like, it's not called all of that. That's just that's the stank that I put on it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Another lip and cheek, and this is called Work. I know y'all heard that. I know I woke y'all up, okay? Wake it up. This one's called Rally. Oh, what's this? Okay, so this isn't like the blushes that I just showed you guys. This is a holographic stick. Multi-use illuminating stick instantly melts into skin using Milk Melt technology. Holographic pearls provide a prismatic finish infused with mango butter, peach, nectar, avocado oil, and meteorite dust. First of all, Milk, where'd you get a meteorite? Meteorite dust. Listen, what is this? Oh, this is a sunshine skin tint with SPF 30 in it. All of you chocolate bunnies out there, don't think that just because you're chocolate, you're not supposed to wear sunscreen. Your sunscreen needs to be at least an SPF 30. For me, I do like a minimum of 50. But this is excellent because I put on my moisturizer, which is SPF 50. Then I put this on top of it, SPF 30. 30 plus 50 is 80. Boom. I'm gonna be radiant, okay? I'm gonna be booming, I'm gonna be shining, I'm gonna be glowing. And then the last 2 things in this little box, long wear gel eyeliner. A lot of stuff is here, so I'm going to keep out the eyeliners, this holographic stick, Swish, and Quickie, but the rest we're gonna save for another time. Moving on to the next box, and you're supposed to pull, it says pull out, cute. It opens up like, oh, primers, covers, and sets. In the box that says Prime, 2 primers. So these are their stick primers. So this one is matte, and this one is their luminous blur stick that is also mattifying. Next up, that is the foundation. So they sent me 4 shades. So I'm gonna be swatching these bad boys for you. And they also sent their Flex concealer. This is the shade Caramel. And then I have Cinnamon, which actually could be my highlight shade. And then I have Tan. Last but not least, I have Milk Makeup's translucent setting powders, Blur and Set matte loose setting powders, and they have 3 shades for me here. The lightest one is called Translucent Light. This one is the middle shade and it's called Translucent Medium. And this is the deepest shade and it's called Translucent Deep. Let's get some swatches going and then we will demo the entire foundation and concealer and powder and primer and all of that. So since I foolishly decided to wear a turtleneck for this look, I don't know why, don't ask me, don't question me, because I don't know, I don't have the answers for you, Sway. We're gonna be swatching on my face. I don't know what this is. It was gonna be a pimple and then I prayed against it and I rebuked it. So it now has turned into a dry patch, but it's not dry. I don't know. But since this is here, we're gonna be swatching right here so that we can see the coverage of these foundations and concealers, okay? First shade I'll be swatching is Mocha. This is the lightest shade that they sent me. It says shake before use. Oh. Hey, Mocha. Mocha. So that's Mocha. This is Cocoa. Actually looks like Nestle cocoa powder. The foundations have a scent to it that I actually really like. It's sort of like grapefruity. This is Deep. Okay, so this is Cocoa right here in the middle, right? When I swatched Cocoa on me, it looked like it was a cool undertone, but now after about like 60 seconds, looks like a warm undertone. Deep is definitely a cool undertone. Last shade I have to swatch is Espresso. I'm gonna go with Cocoa or my foundation shade. So all my shade twins out there, try Mocha and Cocoa. On this side, we are going to do the concealers. And this is their Flex concealer. And this first shade that I'm doing is called Caramel. It's a wand. I didn't know it was a wand. See, Caramel is super duper light. Next shade is Cinnamon. Yep, this is Cinnamon. Last shade I'm doing is Tan. So we're gonna start with the Hydro Primer. It's very cool, like a gel. It's very not sticky, like you could feel it gripping. You can tell it's gonna stay. I mean, I just put the primer on, but it's already a yes for me. Good hydrating primers are hard to come by. Like, it's a grip. Okay, let's move on to foundation. I'm just gonna re-shake it up. The coverage looks super full. You see that coverage? Come on, coverage. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's, oh yeah. Yeah, yep, this is good. This is giving me like good skin foundation. This half of my face has nothing, and this half has coverage, baby. I do not like the matte look, especially during the summer. I'm not here for it at all. I love to be dewy, but not oily or shiny, and this is giving me that. So the foundation is on, you guys, and I barely blended. This foundation is almost like it moves on its own. Like it just goes where it wants to go and where it knows it needs to go. I don't know, some type of technology, maybe it's the meteorites. And look, it's like, it's my shade. Now that I have established myself as the actual chocolate drop that I am, let's highlight. Let's go in with Cinnamon first, because Cinnamon was that middle shade. Yeah. We're gonna take her on the nose. We're gonna get her up on that 5 head. Yes, yes, yes. Tricks are for kids and bad bitches. We're gonna hit that chin, make a cute little heart-shaped chinny chin. Okay. Skin. gets me every time, okay? If you are a company that has incredible skin, hit me up. You need me. I'm here to give your products life. Okay, now we can get those under eyes. Actually, let's hit the jawline a little, just a tad. Listen, let me tell y'all something. I'm looking real good right now. Real chocolatey, real gorgeous, real queen-like. Please know me. Please know the girl. Who is she? I'll tell you who, Godiva. Thank you. You see how my cheekbones just did a placow, blow, blow, blow. You know what I'm saying? Like my cheekbones just said, hello, hi, hola, buenos dias, ho. Okay, now we can get the under eye. She said a little bit. That's the coverage I'm looking for. I love how easily their products blend. Whatever technology you got going on here, you're doing it, okay? You're doing it. You knew what I needed and you delivered. You delivered. I look like a villain and I look good. I look like a woman that has been effed over too many times and now she's coming back to lay revenge on the world, AKA the real storm. You know, this is happening. Are you guys like, do you understand what's happening here? Are you picking up what I'm placing down? Like what's going on? Let me know, because I'm looking great right now. Let's move on to setting powder. I want to make sure you guys know how all of them, at least 2 of them look. So I'm going to use the lightest setting powder under my eyes, and then I'm going to use the deep one to set the other areas. Ooh, it comes with a sponge. We like that. It's concealed, like it's sealed. I like that because you know setting powders make such a mess. I guess we'll use the thingy, the little powder puff. So I'm just tapping on the booty. I'm gonna dunk this spongy applicator thing in and okay, press. Oh no! I need to vacuum that off my shirt. So irritating. I like this applicator actually. I didn't think that I would, but I like it because it gets in the nooks and crannies of the nose to prevent creasing. I wonder if they sell these individually. If they do, I need parts. Yeah, I'm feeling this. And a little on the forehead. Listen, I'm just having too much fun with this applicator. Okay. So now I'm gonna use deep to get the under my cheek area, jawline, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna set the whole thing, my all over face powder after that. All right, so we're like just about done. Can you guys see the natural glow that these powders give off? Like, look at my cheekbones. I didn't put on any highlighter, nothing. This is just the foundation, the concealer, and the translucent powder. And I'm just so flawless right now. Like, my cheekbones are on pop, okay? I'm really, really like transfixed on the natural glow of these products. It's too bad I don't have anywhere to go because I look great right now. Let's do the blush. So these are their lip and cheek sticks. It says lip and cheek on them. I didn't even realize as many times as I've said it, lip and cheek, I can use these for my lips too. So I wanna do swish on the cheeks. I need a pop. Okay, so it's sheer, it's super sheer. So I'm gonna actually get it on the back of my hand and then press it in with my fingers. Okay, so, this is a glass skin type of situation is what we got going on. This ain't for everybody, but it's definitely for me. Oh, yes, absolutely. I'm just going on the line of my cheekbones and I'm gonna hit my brow bone. I don't know about you guys, but I've been really into messy, disheveled brows lately. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the blonde hair, but like I haven't really cared to really do stupid, super sharp, like crispy brows. I haven't really been into that lately. I've been into a super grungy, naturally type look. Don't come for me. That's what I'm into right now. I don't know why. It's like a a gentle rosy type of glow. I love that. Should I do this on my lips? Super brown liner real quick. So I'm gonna take, what is this, Swish? Rub my liner in. Talk about versatility. So if you're interested in creating the perfect nude for you as a dark-skinned woman, you might want to look into this Milk Makeup Swish, because what she just did to my lips, honey, she just came through. Oh yeah, you see that cheekbone? You see that cheekbone? You see? In the lips. Gosh, if I wish I did this earlier so that I could go somewhere and live. Let people know that they can't F with me because I'm the baddest. You guys, this here, this is too good, period. Storm who? Listen, know me, okay? Know who I am, know who I be. I'm gonna see what this brow gel can do for me, can do for us. Oh yeah, listen, Milk. You are giving me what I need for the night. Seriously. After this, like all I need to do is draw a tail for real. Or I could not if I didn't feel like it, but I'm going to. And I'm straight. Listen, hear me well. I'm the girl, and I am. I'm the girl. The girl is me, the girl. She is sweetie, you know? These cheekbones are giving you. They are giving you the best that I've got. I just feel like everything is so good. Okay, so we are done with everything. Honey, I love these products. Like, I'm not exaggerating when I say that these products are really, really gorgeous. I don't know what type of technology Milk Makeup is over there using, but the way they just set me up, the way they just got me together, I really like it. I love the way they do skin over there. I love it. I have no complaints. This brow fiber, this might even be my favorite product because this just made brows so much easier for me. I don't struggle to do brows, but brows are my least favorite thing to do and they take forever. That literally took under 5 minutes to do my brows. I'm just very, very impressed. I'm really here for my brows. I cannot get over that. Like I can't. And then this nude lip that was literally just created, I cannot. And this cheekbones, this glow, this wet but not wet glow is doing things to me. It's riling me up in the best way. And I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm here for how I look, and I'm mostly like super duper here for how it feels. It feels like I'm not wearing any makeup. There are some foundations and concealers and powders that you can feel it on your face, like no shade, no tea, but some full coverage situations feel full coverage on the skin. This doesn't. I don't even know what they said the coverage is. I just know that it went on like butter and it melted into my skin and the coverage was easy breezy, get to full coverage. And I feel like if you want to do light coverage, then this is definitely the foundation for you because it's runny enough, you know? I just can't stop looking at myself. Like I feel like I look like a model. I feel like I'm fresh off the runway. I don't have anything else for you guys, but I'm just, listen, go to my Instagram right now and go comment, girl, you look good. Okay, so I can know that you are from YouTube. Go comment, hashtag, girl, you look good. Okay, and let me know where you from, where you be. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do you guys have any questions? If you do, leave them in the comments. You know, I'm gonna be up and through there talking to you guys, chatter, chit, or whatever. So leave your comments and your questions in the comments and I will chat with you guys down there. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think of the skin and everything. I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.